In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set vacation mode on eBay, a must-know feature for anyone wanting to take a break without worrying about their online store. Whether you're heading off on a well-deserved vacation or just need some time away from the computer, enabling vacation mode will help ensure your customers know when you'll be back and when they can expect orders to be fulfilled. First, let's navigate to where we need to start. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you're in, move your cursor up to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your name or icon. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, look for Account Settings. This is your hub for all changes related to your account, and it's where we need to go next. In the Account Settings, you'll want to keep an eye out for a section titled Selling Preferences. It's here you can configure various aspects of your selling experience on eBay. Click on Selling Preferences to open up more options that are specific to how you manage your store. With the Selling Preferences menu open, the next step is to find the Time Away settings. This is the feature that lets you control your availability directly on your profile. Time Away settings might be a little buried among other options, but take your time scrolling through until you spot it. Once you've identified the Time Away settings, it's time to officially turn on vacation mode. This setting will communicate to your buyers that you are currently unavailable. Depending on your specific interface, you might see a toggle or a button that says something like Turn on Vacation Mode. Click this and you'll be prompted to proceed to the next step, where we set the timeline for your absence. Now let's set those critical start and end dates for your time away. Selecting a clear start and end date is important because it informs your customers precisely when you'll be back and when they can expect order processing to resume. Think of this as setting your away message for your entire store. Use the calendar feature in the settings to pick your desired start date, and then similarly, choose when you'll be returning. This ensures your customers have a definitive time frame and fewer surprises. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively set up vacation mode on eBay. Remember, this is a great way to take that much-needed rest without the constant worry of orders piling up or customers wondering where you are. The good thing about this feature is that it keeps everything transparent between you and your buyers. If at any time you wish to adjust these dates or turn off vacation mode, just revisit the same settings. So go ahead, enjoy your break knowing that your store is under control. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Safe travels or a peaceful staycation, whichever you're taking.